Welcome to my channel, Mr. IJHS. Today we're gonna read some text. The title is Handy Mandy the Calamity Cleaner. I had a cleaner named Mandy. She came to my house every Tuesday. She had a nickname, Handy Mandy. It was because, as cleaners do, she used her hands all the time. Mandy looked like a sergeant major, and she had all the right cleaner equipment. However, she caused so much damage in my house. First, she threw a beautiful vase and it broke. Mandy blamed the cat. Then, she put my curtains down. I came home to find them on the floor. Mandy blamed the cat again. However, at the time, the cat was at the vet's. Next, she snapped the leg of my chair. Another time, H.M. spilled a cup of coffee all over my white sofa. It was ruined. Finally, I was really upset when she told my neighbor tales about me as they chat over the garden fence. My friend was passing by and saw them. My friend heard some of the things Mandy said about me, nasty lies. And my neighbor laughed at these tales. Last Tuesday, Mandy's day, I was at home. I normally work Tuesdays, but I had a day off. As Mandy woke up at the garden path, my heart sank and I felt stressed. But she had some bad news for me. She told me she was leaving. She had a better job. She was going to get more pay cleaning my neighbor's house. I smiled as I accepted the bad news. When I told my friend, we both had a good laugh about it. Bye, Lorna. Thank you for watching these videos, guys.